Welcome to Gloucestershire Legend Storytime, with me, Rizpah Amadasun, as part of Art of Libraries. Today we'll be telling the story that the children wrote about Lila the Great Bob, a legend of Viking descent who lived in the heart of Sheepscombe. Once upon a time lived Lila the Great Bob. She was very brave and very strong, with big, beautiful wings coming out of her Viking warrior suit. She loved to help people and dance around the hills. But one day she heard there was a wicked witch who was going to steal all the power and take control of the whole of Gloucestershire. So Lila the Great Bob went down to the library and pulled out a special book that would give her an entrance into the Roman underground city. She skipped quietly through the city to scare her friend Leonie, who lived down there, because Leonie knew everything about anything. If anyone could help her stop the witch, Leonie could. And she was right. Leonie said that there was a gem called Milo that would stop the witch forever. But she wasn't quite sure where it was. She heard it was in a forest, but there was definitely a map somewhere in Cheltenham that would help her. So Lila the Great Bob, knowing that the witch had eyes and spies everywhere, dressed up as a grizzly bear and took the bus to Cheltenham. When she arrived in the Cheltenham promenade, she looked up and around. Where would a map be for Milo the gem? There's a shop there. That looks interesting. And it's a gap. Well, I've got a gap. I need a map for a gem. So she went inside, and there she looked around. Under the clothes, through the cupboards, there was somebody looking at her very suspiciously. "Oh, can I help you?" said the shop attendant. "Yes, I'm looking for a map," said Lila as a grizzly bear. "For a pot of honey." "Ah, well, no problem. Well, let's have a look together," said the assistant. And so the assistant took her all the way down to the basement. And in the basement, he locked her in. Oh no! But never fear. Lila knew that if she whistled a particular song, the pixies would come and help her. And so they did. Arrive and let her escape through a little tunnel and out back to Gloucester. On their way, they said that they'd heard of this gem before and had the solution. But it wasn't in a forest. It was in Robinswood Hill, in a swamp. So they gave her a glow-in-the-dark diving suit. So she marched up Robinswood Hill and found the swamp and went in. It was murky and dark and gloomy, but as she got closer, her suit glowed, and there it was, Milo the gem. She pulled it out from between the reeds and got back up onto the surface. But there was the witch. Aha! I know you would be here. Give me the gem. The witch tried to snatch Milo the gem from Lila. They had a struggle and a tussle and a fight and rolled around on the ground. But Lila was stronger. She took the gem and flew away. She flew all the way to Painswick Beacon, where she knew that if it sat on the top and the sun hit it, then no one could ever control Gloucestershire again with their greed for power. And so she did. It sat on Painswick Beacon forevermore, protecting the whole of Gloucestershire, and everyone lived happily ever after. Thank you so much for joining us.